Hello there. Today is the day we're going to pick up my new bicycle to replace my 8-year-old bicycle that I had. So let's walk in. This is the bike that we just ordered. This is for display purposes. I tried it in the store and it performs well. So the price of this is £250, but there's a 20% discount, so there's £200 itself. This is the package. Unlimited puncture repair, unlimited braking gear adjustments, 6-week one service, annual seal service, 3 parts and accessories. I bought some other kit along that which I will show you later. It's a Carrera model bicycle. These are reflectors. For the belt I'm going to change that. I'm going to take these reflectors off, this front reflector, and replace it with my front light, and I will put my rear light on there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. By the way, I'm not going to take this bicycle home. It's only for display purposes. Let's get out of here now. First time riding this bicycle on the road. We've changed gears. I can film this on the phone while I'm riding on a bicycle. Let's get out of this junction. Out we go. Let's pull up for a minute. Let's do the brake test. After this Citroen DS3, I'm going to brake. Good braking power this thing has. Riding along is very powerful. Got very strong performance. I prefer these switch gears rather than the one you just twist. They're much easier to control, like I had on my bicycle in Indonesia. Good maneuverability. I'm just so it's a decent bicycle to ride with. This week we had bought my bicycle at £200. So last week my old bicycle, which is 8 years old, which been using for 3.5 years, when I was cycling up a hill, the rear alignment was spraying we took it into the bicycle repair shop to Halfords. It cost around £100 to repair, so we thought it would be a good idea to replace it. We got a good deal on this bicycle with a new one that's cost £200. So I'm going to do a quick tour on this. I've already done one at night, but it's no good because you can't see better. Let's go from front to back. So this is the front wheels. This is an 18-inch in size. Show you here. This is a gents by 18-inch AW Carrera axle. This is the handlebars. These are the gears. I learnt something new. So this one is 2 is the regular setting. 1 is if you're going uphill. 3 is going downhill or you're going at faster pace. 3 is you use for higher gear. 2 is medium gear. 1 is for a lower gear. So for the front, so these front and rear lights, we have them transferred, as you can see. I might remove this reflector. I might keep it on. This reflector will be kept on. I've got to get my round bicycle bell transferred. This one is just clumsy. That's the side. Carrera logos. I've got the bottle holder and the tire repair kit transferred onto this. I've got to get a stand for this. They were unable to put this on. For the rear, I've got the rear for reflectors. I also got the mud guards transferred for the front and the rear, so I don't get any dirt splashed onto me. If you're asking if I can do a wheelie on this, the answer is no. I would have to have a proper BMX bicycle for this. I will mainly use it on the road and sometimes for a bit of fun in the dirt, off-road. Aside from that, there are 3 bicycles in the garage. What we're going to do with my old bicycle, I think we may scrap it. We don't know yet. There's 3 bicycles. There's a purple one. There's a small blue one that I had a long time ago. There's a one and the other one is what I'm using. So we need to get rid of some bikes because no one hardly ever used them. Before we end this video, we bought a few things alongside my bicycle to help maintain the condition of my bike. So this is the muck off. That's the cleaner. It's already diluted. Fast action bike cleaner. So I don't have to hassle around with that. I have to read the instructions before I use it. Nanotechnology, matte finish safe, vital fluids, biodegradable. Then the microfiber cloth, so this won't cause any scratches. And to wash them, I'm just going to wash them in a bucket of water and use soap for this. And then this D-lock is well secured. The person in stock recommended this for my new bicycle so it doesn't get stolen, because I have a wire one and that one can easily cut through it and then break on and steal with it, but this one they can't cut through it. It's well secured. In addition to this, I forgot to mention that my saddle is leather. I can use the leather wipes to clean the saddle to maintain the quality of it. So this is the end of the video now. Make sure you like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you're alerted whenever I upload a new video.